Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin dropping yesterday from 60K, came down to 57 and bounced back. We got to drop down to 57,500 seems to be a big support now, and then bouncing back. Bigger volume coming in on that drop. Big volume coming in on the drop. Big volume coming in on the buy. People chatting in the chat. Total viewers now on bitcoinprice.live. You can just set it up on your TV. bitcoinprice.live, 102,000 viewers, market cap 2.1 trillion. You get a 60,000 bonus with Bybit when you join up. Fear and greed index 33, so still in fear. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin is more dominant. Altcoins are dropping worse, which is crazy. Funding fee close to negative. Bitcoin 58,200 and forming a kind of cup formation here. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my $14,000 account. Took a bit of a hit the last few days. And I'm going to show you, we're going to do technicals on Ethereum and anything you request. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals and the market, a little bit choppy. Bitcoin, we're going into the perpetuals. Cup and handle bull flag on the weekly, as I've been showing. Also broadening descending wedge is still in play on Bitcoin, and bull flag still on Bitcoin on the weekly chart. Stochastic is turning sideways, still oversold, but not looking so beautiful here. Big Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com, fired a blue buy on February 2023, still a buy now at 60K, hasn't fired a sell. Bitcoin Indicator bot, which you also get in the Crypto Master Course, did not yet fire a buy. That was the halving, these dotted yellow lines, and you can see after the last halving, look at the move that Bitcoin did. It sideways chopped for a while, and then boom, it went massively parabolic. Let's see what happens after this halving. So far, we've just been sideways chopping. Let's go into the daily. Daily stochastic slightly overbought. Squeeze mob going green. Descending triangle or even symmetric. Descending triangle now seems to be. Descending wedge, I would say. Slightly symmetric, slightly descending triangle or descending wedge. Building pressure, and breaks out. Target 74K. I was hoping that we get an early breakout from here, but it looks like we're pulling back into the triangle, everyone. Builds pressure. It could break out there, but usually breaks out 70% of the move. So we could have a nuke down to even 52, freak everyone out, and then pump out. So be cautious. Make sure stop losses are below 52K. We broke this slight parabolic channel, or like this trend line up, this rising trend line on the 4-hourly. Any major pattern? Still this bigger, unfortunately, descending wedge or descending triangle. So most likely we could get one pullback, one big new drop all the way to 53, 52, and then break out. Hopefully it just goes for the run right now, but it is very possible. That's on Bitcoin. Stop loss, the riskier, the safer trade I would keep there. 56K 152, stop loss 55,478. Take profit 105. Yesterday's trade activated. And keep stop losses a little bit low, everyone, because it can quickly. I'll modify it. That's the trade. 55,813, stop loss 55,2110. Take profit 105K. That's the trade I take on Bitcoin, and unfortunately it is in this descending triangle and it failed that breakout. Let's see if it manages to break out again. Under the video you can see the links to where I'm going to show you my trades. Sign up to Bybit, you get a $60,000 bonus if you use that link. Bybit is the best exchange for trading, lowest fees. They have a Bybit card which you can directly spend your crypto from. I really like Bybit, one of my favorite exchanges. Take the Crypto Master course to learn all this, and then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading online. Over on Bybit, my account 613K, taking a bit of a hit the last 3 days, from 649 to 613. This week was 611 to 649 to 613. So failed like that, chopping around, but Bitcoin kind of failing down from that 60K mark. Let's see if it can recover. I bought at 50 at 6, sold at 65k, bought down here, and then we're bouncing back. My trade is still $5,000 in the profits. A few days ago it was $20,000 in the profits. So should have took it actually on that resistance. It would have been better to take, it's a $430,000 trade. It would have been better to take the sell at that resistance to see whether the breakout happened or not. That's my breakdown of my portfolio. 120k for sure. Greetings, Guru. I think BTC will fulfill the CME gap 54,500. Then we have an interest rate cap which sends Bitcoin to 75k short term. Looks like that could play out based off this descending triangle. 105k is conservative in my opinion, but I respect that Tesla's not ready today. Do you think ENS Ethereum name server? It was popular, but I would stick to the top 3 Ethereum tokens after the ETF, like the top 3 projects on Ethereum. So Ethereum, Uniswap would be one of the big ones, and the third big project, to be honest, because that's where the ETF flow will go to once it starts kicking up. James is going to make a lower low, and I know it sounds not possible. I don't think we go below 40. The true price of Bitcoin, I've been saying this for a while, is 58k. Sorry for misskilling, but you skipped Doge. You said you were going to do Tesla and Doge. Did Tesla skip Doge? Let's do it. You're chilling somewhere shirtless. Definitely my end game. Respect. It's the best, everyone. I live on the beach. So good. My lifestyle. And you should learn what I'm doing and try to do the same. I watch him every day since 2 years, and he's the one who encourages me every day to become financially free. He is an awesome teacher without a doubt. Thank you very much, Infinity. Many who went to war for their country will not go to hell. I am one of them. No greater honor than serving your country in the name of war. Another country trying to take your freedom. I'm sorry, Jeremy. If you kill anyone for any reason, your soul burns in hell because you killed yourself. It's the first law of God, the first commandment of God to Moses. Do not kill. You can't justify it. I'm sorry. Make sure you don't kill anyone. Make sure you don't harm anyone, everyone. Don't break the commandments of God. There's no going back when you do. Bybit is not allowed in the UK, which other places would recommend using Trade ID, like every trade like yourself. That sucks that Bybit is being blocked in the UK. Message your MPs, everyone. Message your local politicians. Tell them. Just Google local politician in UK and message them. Say you want some representation and you want to be able to trade crypto. You want to be able to use things like Bybit, the world's second biggest exchange. Never skip watching your videos every day. Thank you, Mega. Who is enjoying my 11k loss on Magicraft. I've been buying more, so you have to do your own due diligence, everyone. But I accumulate projects until they get very big, and this is my asset holdings now in this account. So I'm actually accumulating, but it is quite a bear market. To be honest, for me, this is one of the most brutal bear markets that I've seen. It's like a bull market with Bitcoin, but all the altcoins are getting demolished into a bear market, lower than a lot of them have been before, which is very, very interesting to see. It was like a Bitcoin bull market, but nothing else moved, which destroyed a lot of people in this chop, in my opinion. But I am not seeing alts making lower lows. They're like holding here. That even though sometimes Bitcoin spiked down, altcoins don't drop anymore, which is interesting. Let's go into Doge. I'm going to do Doge and Ethereum quickly. Because I missed Doge last time. Doge 0.99 coming back onto the descending wedge, everyone. But it already broke out, Doge. You can see it's already breaking out. It's holding on the channel. Now what we need to see is a confirmation. This is a massive wedge that goes back to the beginning of 2024. Descending wedges, they build up like this. Build pressure, build pressure, build pressure. Break out the base of the wedge. Target 20 cents on Doge. Now what we need a confirmation. We got to break out. Weak volume. We need a big volume bounce here to confirm this breakout and the target. Otherwise, alts are just going to sideways chop again. I would go long on Doge from the yearly support because it's multiple times touched this yearly support. Tight stop loss. Target is the target. This is the trade I would take on Doge. But everyone, you have to do your own due diligence. Altcoins are quite risky. 0.089, stop loss 0.085, risking 0.003 per Doge to make 0.1 per Doge. So rest toward 26 times, risking $1 to make 26 times. That's the trade I'll take on Doge. And I wanted to also do Ethereum. Ethereum 2289. It activated yesterday's trade but hit stop loss. Unfortunately, activated yesterday's trade, hit stop loss. You can see Ethereum is on this trend line and building a big descending wedge. Try to catch it. I would try to catch it from the yellow trend line again. So opening it at the spike down 2155, Stop loss below the green support 2016 and take profit 4,700. I'll bring it closer. That's the trade. 2155 open, 2065 stop loss, take profit 4726. Again, all the links are down below. You can see all of those links, and join us underneath. Join us in the Telegram. There's right now in the Telegram 135 of you online. Everyone, please tag Wise. I posted about Wise in the Telegram. If you can go in and tag them. I was able to send it 1 hour descending wedge breakout on Bitcoin. Beautiful. Someone is talking about they need to fill out delivered paperwork, KYC, bank statement, source of income. They kept asking for more for Bybit. It seems like all the different exchanges are cracking down on crypto and asking for all tax information, which is interesting. Everyone post about it online when they do, so people can see what info they're asking for. Join them in Telegram. You can talk to the other 135 of you online right now. There's usually a lot more. This is nighttime for most people, so you can join them there and discuss. And follow me also on X. A lot of stuff going on X. I have 91,600 followers. My video yesterday, Binance announced new spot listing of low cap Nero memcoin. It 10x'd in market cap. The Nero M coin got launched on Binance. We missed it at 10x. This missed Elon Musk versus the Prime Minister of Australia, who's trying to censor everyone and make a ministry of truth. Everyone support free speech at all costs. If you don't support free speech, if you don't support free crypto, you won't be able to. When they do decide to come after your voice, you won't be able to say anything because you didn't fight back for free speech right now. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.